Hi, I'm Jerry Daniels with FlorStar Sale, product manager for Audacity Laminate. Audacity is a water-resistant flooring which has superior characteristics to all vinyl derivatives like WPC, SPC, and LVT. A lot of key features to Audacity Laminate. It is superior water-resistant core. It has more sealants for the particle fibers and is pressed at 35% greater density than anything out there. Audacity Laminate has edge-sealed proprietary sealant that's twicely put around the edges. The nice thing about Audacity Laminate, it has a 72-hour topical water warranty. That's right, 72-hour water topical warranty. This is longer and much greater than anything else in the industry. Another key feature, due to the density, you can install up to 4,000 square feet with no T-moldings. Let me repeat that, 4,000 square feet with no T-moldings. What does that mean to you? What does that mean to you and the homeowner? Well, you basically can put this in an entire house without any T-moldings, making it look like a very realistic floor. The other thing it does for you, it opens up a lot of commercial applications. Think about nursing homes. T-moldings create trip hazards. No T-moldings can be perfect for a nursing home. So you can use this for any type of commercial application, institutional, and Main Street. It has a 4-sided micro-beveled edge. The other nice characteristic, the product all has EIR embossed and registered. That means it gives it a very realistic texture of real hardwood floors. The product itself is 10 millimeters thick. It has a 2 millimeter IXPE pad. The sound ratings on the product, which is very critical in today's building and apartments and senior living, it has an IIC rating of 67 and an STC of 68. It has a lifetime residential warranty for wear, stain, and topical water. And again, 72 hours. It has a 15-year light commercial warranty, again for wear, stain, and fade, and topical water. A lot of great colors. It comes with 16 SKUs. The product has a lot of rustic looks, as shown in this sample. The IXPE attached pad, so it comes all as a one unit. And we all know the infomercials promote steam mops. This is the only product I know that is guaranteed, warranted to be able to use our steam mops. And people are using them today, especially with the different viruses and the COVID virus that we have. So next time you're shopping for something very durable, please take a look at the Audacity Laminate line. And then do yourself a favor and visit the Audacity website at www.audacityflooring.com. Thank you.